replace the turn signal and windshield washer, actuator, and your high beams. It also does your high beams. Some of them come with this, some of them don't. But the thing is, you don't need to replace this unless it's busted. So you don't want to bust it taking it out. But all you're going to do is you're just going to lift this up. And there's a little pin right there, and it slides out of there. It's all you got to do to get that apart so you don't have to pull your steering wheel. So we're going to need a number 20 forks and a long Phillips screwdriver. There's a 20. Okay, so I got what I need. These are the two tools you need for this. And we got the bracket right there, or the unit. Okay, so the first thing you got to do is you got to raise that up. There we go. Okay, and then we're going to remove this piece here. Okay, and then if you look up underneath here, you should see a couple of holes with screws and one right here. So we're going to take this screw out first. Ooh. That didn't sound good, did it? No. It's the first time this has ever been apart. So this isn't like I practiced this. I don't like to practice working on stuff anymore. I just like to do it and be done. Now, one thing will be different on this one is you kind of have to work around the shifter on the automatic. But there it is. It's a little bit hard to hit it. But with this standard shift, you don't have it. It's just a little boot on this side over here, and you just kind of got to get that out of the way, which is not that big a deal. Okay, I think, yeah. So this pops up. And then this comes out of the way. And then you got to kind of spread it over this key. It's kind of real stiff, but you got to get it past that. There we go. Yeah, see if the screw's still there. Okay, screw's still in there. All right, there's two screws right here. Need to take out. One there. And then one there. Oops. All right, and those are Phillips. And then there's a plug up here. Let's push that back and down, and then that comes out. And then I need like a little bit of a tool here to kind of get that out of there. Tool. This little thing is so handy for now. This is that part, and that's it. It's out. This is that part you don't want to break. That's this part over here. It came with it. The guy at the auto parts store said you gotta pull your steering wheel to put it on, and I said I don't think you have to, and I was right. Okay, then this is going to slide. What's it here? Back in and lock in. That little pin popped up. There's a little pin right there. Right, that little hole right there. Okay. You just kind of get a hold of it like right in here, and you lift it up, and then it's just reverse osmosis here. We're going to put the screws back in. This is where it gets exciting. Okay, and then we're going to stick this bottom piece back on, hopefully without losing that one screw that's still in there. I didn't get all the way out. We'll get this back in. I don't think we're careful, we won't lose it. But we are talking me, so that's probably already a goner. Let's see here. Just kind of, okay, so we're going to get up and over this here, and then that's going to slide in there. So then you just want to make sure this little disc cover isn't on the outside. You know, like if I'm going to put this on, you want to make sure it's not on the outside. You want to make sure that stays on the inside. Pretty simple. That snaps in, and then there's 3 screws. We're going to put this back in the same hole it came out of, which is right there. And this one goes right here. Yep, it popped in. And then this one, hard part, find where it goes. Okay, and that's it. And then this is the last one. And those 2 deals go in there. That goes on there. I like it when stuff is simple and it works. Now, let's see. Okay. Turn signal works. Turn signal. Now before, what it would do is I turn it on here, and it'd be going like this, and then all of a sudden it go blink, 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 blink. So it's not doing that. And let's see, yeah, okay. Everything's working. Okay, that's it. Now I shouldn't be irritating people behind me anymore. Feels pretty nice and free. All right, that's good. That's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.